Excuse me.
So, let me ask you something. You don't plan to talk about this? Yeah, Angie. Hold on now. Angie. Angie!
Hello, sir. There's only one person you can talk to, sir. And that's your wife. I'm not her.
So, at that you go on so far? Angie, you go on like you never knew so I'm married.
Of course, me know say you're married. But I didn't know you still had a wife.
Angie, all when she missing for years, me still married. That means me still have a wife.
So, which hole she curl out of? Which little crack she seep through? What she do ya? Which want?
Your guess is as good as mine. But me know I'm not dead left. Come in not dead yet.
You don't have a guess. I don't have a clue. And if it's your wife and you don't know, me not gonna know. So tell you what. Me I go check my boss. You can go check your wife.
Angie, you know, so you're being unreasonable.
Unreasonable. Raymond, you call me. You tell me say smaddy a trail you. Me dress up, come to your rescue. You jump in at the back of car, brandish my weapon, only for here. I'm a wife.
Oh, you hear this? You go and let me there with the woman and I sleep with her, eh?
Even if it just there, it would have bad and not so bad. But I'm your wife. And wife take first preference. Me go check my boss. Because him have some answers to give me. So here what? Run along and go and play your husbandly duties to your wife.
Angie.
Yeah?
So like how me spend so much time over here. You don't feel like a time for it?
Real? We talked about this already, babe. I'm not ready to live with nobody yet.
Nobody? So, me and nobody now?
Babe. And that my mean. You already sleep with me 2 nights in a week. And you there with me in a day. We could just work with it with that now.
Alright.
Okay. But now go nowhere now. But there. We're not here run down and living together thing. Just understand now?
Understand?
You sure?
Yeah, man.
You not just say that.
No. I actually mean it. And you're right. We don't have to rush now. We can't keep it. They're not slow, so I'm sorry for rushing.
You know, sir, you don't understand what go on. 3 years now she gone, you know. Are you one there, you know?
Raymond.
May I say?
Raymond.
Angie.
Let me go.
Alright, Angie. See you. That's why I single life is a better life, you know, man. Cross is the whole of them, you know.